In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Looker Studio ownership with our comprehensive step-by-step 2025 guide. Transferring ownership of your Looker Studio reports is an essential skill that ensures your reports are managed seamlessly even when responsibilities shift within your team. So, let's dive into the process and walk you through it together. First, you'll want to navigate over to Looker Studio. This is your starting point and the home for all your data reporting needs. Once you're there, take a look through your files and click on the specific one you want to transfer ownership of. This selection is crucial as it sets the context for everything you're about to do next. Now, you should notice a Share button at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. This action is key because it opens up the sharing settings panel, which is where the magic happens regarding ownership transfer. Once the sharing settings are open, you should see a line where you can enter an email address. This is where you'll need to input the email of the person you wish to transfer ownership to. It's important to double check that the email address is correct to ensure your transfer goes smoothly. Once you've entered the email, you'll see an option that currently says Viewer. Click on it and then change it to Editor. By doing this, you're granting the recipient editing rights, which are necessary for them to take over full control of the reports. Now, you might be wondering why this is significant. Granting editor access before transferring ownership allows the receiver to make any necessary updates or changes, ensuring the report continues to be effective and up to date as needs evolve. After you've made these changes, you're ready to proceed to the next crucial step, which is to click on Send. This sends an email to the recipient, notifying them that they now have the access required to manage the report. Once sent, click Done to close the sharing panel. At this point, you'll have to wait for the recipient to accept your email request for access. It's a small waiting game, but an essential step to ensure the transfer is complete. Once they accept, they will have the necessary permissions to manage and own the report. It's as simple as that. To wrap up, this transfer process is straightforward, but ensuring each step is completed accurately is vital to ensure smooth transition. Thanks for watching today's tutorial on transferring ownership in Looker Studio. I hope you found it helpful. And if you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy reporting!